Tasya Pravayasaha Putra. So, he was 88-year-old man, Ajamila. This is animal life actually. At the age of 84, 85, Prabhupada mentions here, he gets a child, 10th child. One should leave home as a vanaprastha and then properly take sannyas. Vana, forest, prastha means go from home. So it should not be stuck to the family itself till the end comes. That's what Varnashrama is all about. 0 to 25, 25 to 50 grahastha ashram if somebody want to practice. 50 to 75 vanaprastha and 75 to 75 you take sannyas. But actually in Kali Yuga that is not possible. So we should be engaged in the service of the Lord. Prabhupada says for us going to Vana means we should go to Vrindavan and retire. Just be absorbed in the thought. But you see, in the life of Srila Prabhupada, he had taken sannyas and he went to America at his old age. He could have very well be situated in Vrindavana doing his bhajana very nicely. And he was pure devotee. But still, for the purpose of preaching, he took so much hardship and he went to America.